Cooking with Blen. Hey guys, it's Blen again, and I just came out from a workout. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want a healthy salad. I'm gonna make the best, the healthiest, the yummiest salad out there. So the ingredients that you'll be needing for this salad, and you guys might be thinking, a salad is pretty basic, but we are also gonna be making homemade dressing. So the ingredients that you'll be needing for the salad is the spinach and spring mix, and even though it's already washed, when it comes in the package, you want to wash it again with vinegar and cold water. So you'll be needing that. You'll be needing apples, tomatoes, strawberries, jalapenos, and onions. For the homemade dressing, you'll be needing lemons, garlic and ginger. We already had it cut and mixed here. Oil, salt, black pepper, and balsamic vinegar. But it's vinegar. So let's get started. For the base, there we go. Now we're going to cut the apple. We have this easy cutter right here. And push down hard. You guys can see it comes out like a flower, a beautiful flower. So I'm gonna take this part out. Pour it all in. I'm gonna take this part off. That's enough. Okay guys, now we're gonna work on the dressing. We're going to add vinegar. We need 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Now we're going to add 4 tablespoons of oil. Of olive oil. Now we're going to add some black pepper. Down with some water. Try my delicious salad. Abby! I made some salad. I have strawberries in here, jalapenos, onions.
I see you got some dressing.
Cheers.
Cheers. Did you make this dressing?
Mm-hmm.
It's really good. This is actually one of the best dressings ever, and salads.
Especially with the fruit. Oh, sorry guys. You guys can have this like if you're gonna go sit next to the pool. You know, have a nice glass of lemonade, This is so good. And I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And comment down below how did your food turn out. I love you guys so much. Bye.